Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you how to create a grid bot on OKX so that it becomes an ATM that prints money even for new people. So in this video, I will show you how to use the grid bot, also known as the GD bot on OKX, to make it a money machine for us in an extremely effective way. Briefly, before getting into the main topic of today's video, if you are in need of receiving the earliest signals from the crypto market, and there's always a market from surfing waves to holding edge coins on the top exchanges, as well as always being supported by an 11-word support team, you can participate in a premium group of crypto industry. I will leave the link to participate at the bottom of the description of this video if you haven't participated, so hurry up and join. Let's go to the screen and look at the bot that I've been running recently. So this is the bot, which is a future grid bot, and you can see the profit of this bot, and you can also see the Pi USDT bot, which is also a DC future bot. So this bot runs automatically and takes the profit. So when I install according to my settings, it runs completely automatically. As you can see, it has been running for many days, and the other one has also been running since quite some days. So during this time, like while you sleep, the bot still runs normally. We don't need to intervene too much. You have seen the power of bots, haven't you? Next, I will explain the characteristics of the grid bot and the future grid bot. They're essentially the same, but they differ in one thing: the word future. Future is leverage trading. For example, in spot trading, if you have a coin that is x2 and go to future bot and turn on 7x5, then it becomes x10. If it's x10, then it becomes x20. The coins suitable for this kind of grid bot are considered safe and stable enough to be held. Always remember, if you get out of the grid range, you must be careful. In spot, there is no liquidation, but in future, you can make a profit or loss and possibly be liquidated. So please consider and research carefully. The next theory is that the appropriate market for the grid bot and future grid bot is sideways market, which oscillates up and down many times. You can understand it like this: that when we install the bot, it will automatically buy at the buy points and automatically sell at the profit taking points. When the market moves sideways, this bot is extremely suitable. We don't need to watch too much and can let the bot work automatically. Next is the running time. You can run the bot anytime 24/7. As long as you set it with reasonable parameters, it can run. Finally, the possibility of profit depends on the number of coins. When the price goes down, the profit is in the number of coins collected. When the price goes up, the profit is in the money. Just understand it like this: when the coin goes down into the price zone that you preset to buy, it will collect a lot of coins in that area. And when the market goes up, it will gradually sell at the profit-taking points that you've preset. That's the feature of GridBot and the future GridBot. Next, I will guide you on how to set the parameters of GridBot. If this is your first time participating in bot trading on OKX, you should click on the trade section, then scroll down to the trading section. Through this exchange section, you will see the bots that are currently available on OKX platform. For example, Spot Grid, Future DCA Grid. So in this video, you should pay attention to the Spot Grid and the Future Grid. However, please remember the second lesson: before you start real trading, you should trade in the demo mode. Create a demo mode post for yourself to practice configuration and fine-tuning. Instruction will be provided for us. To do demo trading, click on the Trade drop-down section, select Simulated Trading. This will open the demo trading section for you. Here, I will switch to the organizer part. As for trading assets, the exchanges will grant you nearly 100,000 USDs to use. This part is where I will briefly introduce the interface of the demo trading. You can pull this up or pull it down to view it more easily. And then next on the right part, you'll see the buy and sell sections. We'll click on trade again, and in this exchange, we'll choose the bot. I will use the previous Spot Grid bot. This is still in simulated trading, so pay attention to that. Look at the left side of the screen, and to start this transaction, you have to switch back to BTC. It's just like a real trading bot. You can run this ahead of time to practice. On the right side of the screen, there is the strategy section. These are bots created by other users. You can copy them. The word copy means you will follow exactly how the bot trades. They also have a section for midterm sideways price predictions, usually for 1 to 2 months. short-term fluctuations 7 to 20 days, and moderately cautious modes 3 to 6 months. The shorter the time, the higher the profit. But the risk is also higher, so pay attention. Then there's the manual installation. I will guide you now. Here we are with the spot grid bot. If you look at the screen, the BTC price will be viewed. So you're going to create the grid so that this bot automatically buys in the price areas you want. So I'll set the lowest price and then set the highest price. And then there's the number of grid. Set this between 10 to 11 for optimal performance. I will set it to 10. You can see here how this bot will buy. For example, if BTC drops to around the set value that you have set over here, it will automatically place a buy order. Then at the next level, it will buy again. It will continue to buy in these lower price zones. When BTC goes up, the bot will sell in these areas. For example, if it reaches a set price, it will sell and take profit. Profit per grid will be around 0.18% to 0.19%. Now, for the amount you want to invest, say I said $1,000, the bot will automatically buy in the green zones and sell in the red zones. If the price of Bitcoin drops out of the grid range, just understand this simply. When Bitcoin collapses deeply, the more it drops, the more BTC you can accumulate. When it returns to the selling zone, the bot will automatically sell for you. And if it goes too far, this and the next buying grid area is the profit taking part, that is the TP price, the point where you want to close the trade. For example, if you want to take a profit at the price of, let's say, 86,500, that's it. You see, we'll set that as our take profit. And the stop loss, if you want this bot to stop, then you will set it around the minimum person or the minimum amount. So this bot will buy for us, and then we're going to create this simulation. On the screen, it shows the tables again with the information for you to reconfirm and check if the parameters are correct. We'll press the confirmation button and we have already created it. So you'll come out and you'll be able to see the total profit and loss of the spot. How much profit or loss you made. It's simple, isn't it? If you want to stop this order of yours, you can press the button to stop. There are two options here: stop the bot and sell BTC, or stop the bot without selling BTC. If you want to fully exit your investment order, you can click stop bot and sell BTC. However, if you don't sell the BTC, you will still hold it and can wait for the price of BTC to go up and then sell manually. Once the bot is stopped, all pending orders will be cancelled and your crypto will be refunded to your trading account. This is a suggestion for someone who wants to stop the order. You have two options: choose stop bot and sell BTC, or stop bot without selling BTC. If you choose the second one, you'll still have your coins and haven't sold them yet. When you decide to sell, you can choose based on your needs. Consider it very carefully. Now, I'm going to stop the bot without selling the BTC. After stopping it, we still have the number of BTC in our account according to the grid. In the future, you can use the future grid, and I will explain that as well. It's just different from the spot grid because it includes leverage. On the left and right corners of your screen, you can see strategies shared by other users, whether they're going long in a bullish trend, going short in a downtrend, or hedging risk due to market volatility. I'll explain it simply for new users: what is long and what is short. You can see the current price of Bitcoin. If you predict Bitcoin will go up, choose long. You'll get a share of the profits. If you think Bitcoin will go down, choose short. On OKX, there's also a third option called neutral. It's flexible. It's in the middle. You can copy other users' strategies, or you can go to the manual setup. It's similar to the spot grid, but with added leverage. In this future grid, we'll set up the lowest price and the highest price. The number of grids I will set here is around 30. On OKX, they'll show us how the grid looks. For example, the first buy point might be something like 100,000, and the first take point might be a bit higher than that. The profit potential increases when you use the future grid, and you can set the capital as $200. You can set the price range a little closer, and then you can set the profit per grid that will be a bit higher, possibly 4.97% or even up to 14.98%. It's a higher profit because you're using leverage. And here you can choose the leverage like 5x or 10x. If you want more risk and higher reward, you can choose 20x. If you want less risk, choose 5x or 10x. In this case, let's say I'll be choosing 10x. It will be more profitable with a return per grid of 3% or more. Advanced settings are available here where I guided you earlier on how to set TP and SL. It's simple. Now we'll switch accounts to trading account and confirm. Now I'm going to create a long order because I think the price of Bitcoin will rise. I'll create the order now, and if you want to go short, you can choose that option as well. Or if you prefer neutral, you can select that as I mentioned earlier. I now proceed to create the long order and confirm it. And I've created that bot. If you want to see the bot's details, just click on the details section. Right now, it's in a sideways market, so it hasn't made profits yet. The parameters are all very easy to read and understand. I advise you to use the demo bot often so you can better understand the platform settings, what each parameter means, and how they help you create profits. And I've now guided you through how to create a grid bot on OKX so it becomes an ATM that prints money for you. If you have any questions or face any issues, you can comment below. I'll answer for you. Or you can join the premium group with me. There will be special privileges for those who join. I'll leave the link to premium group in the description of this video, so feel free to join. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and drop a comment to support this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos. Till then, happy trading.